I am grateful that I had a chance to live here in Canada and found a family here.
Hindi nakikita.
So, I am grateful for my true friends here, Bakal Boys, and also my wife and family.
Yay!
Hi. So, what I really blessed for this year is having true friends, love life, of course, financial stability, and good health for my family.
Okay. Hello, I'm very thankful and blessed because I got engaged this year and traveled in Canada, Edmonton, Vancouver, Victoria.
I'm very happy for my continuous healing here in Canada and having a true friends by my side. Dahil being a TFW here is sobrang hirap talaga. Thank you.
Ay.
So this year, si reveal. Ang aking mental health is very shaky and naiiyak na naman siya. Ba't naiiyak? And I survived all my silent battles. Thank you.
So, my greatest achievement and my biggest flex this year was having my own house finally in the Philippines.
Yay!
Lahat ng hirap, paid off, rent no more, that's
You
it.
deserve it.
And something that I am grateful for was having you guys, my 313 and 204 family, as my family and circle here. So happy. Thank you.
Paragraph din to eh.
Hindi.
Aga.
Hindi. Grateful ako for everything. Siyempre, yung kids, healthy. Tapos yung grateful ako for all the friends na super love, na-feel ko yon this year. And siyempre, hindi, kahit malayo-malayo, hindi natin na-feel na super, alam mo yon malayo ta sa Pinas, nandito pa rin. Grateful.
Yay!